Mike Tango Mike, VK5FSKS.
Okay, I'm recording, mate, so I got that. I don't know if you want to give me another one before you change over, and I'll post it up so you can see it.
Yeah, Roger, Theo, VK5 Mike Tango Mike, VK5FSKS. Just using the stock microphone in the Icon 706 in, and I'll change it over to the Shure microphone and see if we can hear a difference there, Theo. Back to you.
Yeah, okay, mate, go for it. As soon as you're ready, go your hardest.
Yeah, there we are, Theo. Hopefully that sounds better, and hopefully the audio's a little bit better. Not overdriven or anything, or I hope not. And hope there's no, hope we've got no annoying ground loops on the signal. Everything's still grounded together, so hopefully it sounds alright there, Theo. Back here.
Mate, that sounds heaps better. Heaps better.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, well, with the ALC on this mic, it's working properly. On the stock mic, it works nowhere near as effective there. So, yeah, I'd love to hear the difference from another perspective at the other end. And yeah, hopefully it sounds alright there over. Back to you.
Nah, mate, it sounds really, really good. It sounds awesome, actually. It sounds really good. Switch over to the other mic again if you can. If it's not too much, if it's not too hard, change back to the stock mic, and I'll record that, and then I'll probably have to let you go.
Yeah, Roger, VK5FSKS, VK5FSKS, now back on the stock microphone, and the ALC's not working anywhere near as hard. So, yeah, that probably sounds a little bit different. So, yeah, it'd be interesting to hear what it sounds like on the other end. I've not really had any support from other people going, oh, well, it sounds good, but yeah, not to hear how it sounds from another perspective there. Thanks for the test, mate, and look forward to seeing videos. VK5MTM, VK5FSKS.